Hello guys, welcome to a new BTC update video. Looking at the lower time frames, we can pretty much see that we had a recoil finally. We had an extremely weak weekend and it was pretty choppy and slow and just weak overall. It just didn't happen much. We got this fake out up, but didn't last long before we flushed the whole move. So looking at the lower time frames, this previous week remains pretty important for me, and of course we can look for some session sweeps in here, but previous day, I'm afraid previous day, not previous week, is important. I also look at this zone as extremely important if we're looking for a long trade, but we have been front running it for a while, so I don't know whenever that's gonna come. Short term, I see this as a flip zone, power high as well, may get that SFP and then short. If we show extreme strength, I will look for a pullback to long towards this naked wave up and small selling tail, which will be acting as a potential magnet for the price. Also, I'm looking for this new weekly level zone for a short. It looks pretty good to me. So looking for a short here makes sense. And this lines up with the range point control. This lines up with the range value high. So the most important, maybe looking at just the chart here for shorts, would be around here in my opinion. And for longs, of course here. And after that, this is the zone to look for a long. Range value low, point of control, no, not point of control, but golden pocket, and major lows, poor lows, everything got swept, so it's a very good idea for a long trade. Looking at the range, we can pretty much see that we haven't hit any major extreme of the range. We haven't hit the range value low in a long time. But the range value high have been acting as good resistance, and also the range point control have been getting a few good trades. So this lines up with the previous week area, so that's a local trouble zone. After that, the major zone of the range is the range value high at 65.3, lines up with the weekly and the selling tail area. And after that, the range high is important. Range value low lines up with the lows. This is also key lows. And then the range lows, which are pretty much the yearly lows. Also, it's Monday, it can be a tricky day, it can be an expanding range, we can see a big move up, big move down. I will let the Monday range form. I would like to be extremely disciplined on triggers, no trigger, no trade. I'm going to be patient, I'm going to stick to my zones, I'm going to stick to my risk management. And I'm going to get some more clear setups and zones tomorrow after the Monday range has formed. If you want to join my group where I share setups, link in the description. And if you need a place to trade, everything is linked in the description, BloFin, WEEX, everything. All with discounts. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a fantastic week. And I'll see you on a new video tomorrow. Bye.